Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by exporting your avatar as an FBX file from your modeling tool. Set textures to 2048 x 2048 and keep the FBX under 50 MB. Ensure the mesh is centered and the avatar height is 8 meters for consistent scale. Apply a clean T-pose or A-pose before export to simplify rigging. Remove non-essential animation clips to reduce file size and complexity. Name the file clearly and include any texture folders alongside the FBX file. Open Unity and drag your FBX plus texture folders into the Assets window. Select the FBX and set model scale to 1 and apply for consistent sizing. Switch to the Rig tab and choose Humanoid, then click Configure to map bones. Manually verify head, hands, and feet bone assignments for accurate animation. Under Materials, assign the 2048 x 2048 texture maps and use the standard shader. Click Apply after each change to save your imported avatar configuration. Create an animator controller and add a simple idle animation at 30 frames per second. Place the avatar in a test scene and enter Play Mode to check collisions and eye alignment. Verify retargeting by applying standard Unity animations to confirm correct bone mapping. Adjust colliders, scale, and facial blend shapes as needed for proper interaction. Export a Unity package or publish via the Package Manager and ensure the final upload stays under 50 MB. Complete final checks before sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.